Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Good evening, all of you. So, hope you're all doing well. Audio both are clear, everyone. Audio both are clear, all of you. Right now, we'll be moving into which one? This engineering mechanics, right? Engineering mechanics PYQs only we are discussing, right? Which topic, all of you? Welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Engineering mechanics GATE PYQs of civil engineering we are discussing, right? The centroids and everywhere we have discussed this mechanical engineering PYQs also, because civil engineering GATE PYQs are simple, mechanical engineering GATE PYQs are little tough. So that is why we have taken mechanical engineering GATE PYQs also, if you just observe, right? Isn't it? Now, so we'll be continuing that only, right? Whenever you are subscribing to the plus and iconic courses, right, what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use, right? This is my profile, you can say, and this is that referral code RP Civil Live you have to use, right? For accessing the free courses and for everything you have to use which one? This RP Civil Live only you have to use, right? As the referral code, if you just observe, right? Now, these are all the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform, you know already, right? So here, if you wanted to follow my profile, that blue color banner is there now. You just click on this blue color banner and you can follow my profile, all of you, right? So these are the plus courses going on now, all of you. What are these plus courses going on, everyone? So these are the plus courses going on. If you just observe, these are the plus courses going on, right? Now surveying, right? Full length course on this surveying will be going on, if you just observe, right? Every day at which time? 8:15 p.m. to this 10:15 p.m. you can say, right? So these are the GATE PYQs I have started. So what are these GATE PYQs on which one? Transportation engineering. Every day in the special classes it will be going on at 9:30 to 10:30 p.m. Yeah, 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. right? 9:30 to 10:30 we are taking it. 1 hour we are changing it to 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. Monday to Friday we will be taking GATE PYQs of what? Transportation engineering, right? Now next GATE PYQ series of this engineering mechanics in YouTube I am doing. So 4:30 p.m. to this 5:35 p.m. right? So 13 7:22 to which one? 25 7:22, right? So up to 25th of this month you will be having these classes, right? So don't miss them, all of you. So you know about me, right? This is our engineering Telegram channel. So price hike is going to come. So before the price is going to increase, subscribe to the plus and iconic courses using the referral code RPC will live, right? So now coming to this tomorrow, that is 17th, right? Tomorrow, that is 17th July at 12 p.m. you will be having which one? This is scholarship test you are having, right? Depending upon your rank, you will be getting this scholarship, if you just observe, right, everyone? Right? So Pado Kelo Crack Karo series will be going on, all of you. So don't miss this series, everyone. Right? You can get this printed notes also, all of you. Use the referral code RPC will live, right? So GATE and ESE aspirants, this is the difference between, these are the advantages of getting which one? These are the advantages of this iconic subscription, you can say, right? So benefits of this 1:1 live interaction session under this iconic subscription of this one, you can say. So these are all the differences between plus and iconic. You can choose whichever is suitable for you, right? So if you are unable to pay this entire fee at a time, Unacademy has given an option, that is easy EMI option, right? 0% EMI option is given. You just go through this also, right? These are the new batches, right? Kachadia, Parth, yes, I'm good. How are you? Right, after a long time, Lakshya batch and Prakti batch are started, and again on 28th onwards, new batches are going to start. Don't miss this. So this is the difference between this plus and iconic, right? So everyone, right? So this GATE PYQs of which one? This engineering mechanics, if you just observe. So 3 lessons got over now, and we are in which lesson? If you just observe, we are in this 4th lesson now. Yes or no? How many questions we have got completed? So this is question number 11, right? 11 questions we have got completed now, right? 11 questions we have got completed. So this is your lecture for GATE PYQs. Which topic? Same topic, right? Yesterday's topic only, right? Forces, resolution and equilibrium, right? Resolution of the forces and equilibrium of forces, right? Right, okay, very good. Right, 16th July. So that is question number 12. Okay, so all of you write your answer. I'll be waiting here, everyone. Everyone write your answer, all of you here. This is also forces, equilibrium, resolution only, na, everyone. That forces chapter only, no, forces topic only, or not? Yes, right. Write your answer, all of you. Select the answer of you. Select the answer everyone. Correct answer, all of you. Write the question number 12 and answer for this. All of you write this. Options, there is no option, you write the answer. There is no option, you write the answer. So axial stress at this here, right? You want me to write the options, all of you? Okay, I'll be writing the options. Write your option or answer, whatever it is, right? Either you can write the answer or you can write your options also. Yes, options are written. Options are written. You just try to select the correct answer, Lina. Select the answer of you. Find shear force, moment and axial stress at A. Assume the pulley to be frictionless, right? Okay, shall I solve? So can you expect this pulley to cable to carry that shear force and axial shear force and this bending moment? Since cable cannot carry, right? What is it you can say? Since that cable cannot carry shear force and bending moment, right? It carries only which one? It carries only which one? Everyone. It carries only that axial force, na? It carries only that axial force if you just observe, right? What is that axial force, everyone, if you just say? What is that axial force, everyone, if you just observe, right? Here it is for this box, if you just say, so that is your 50 kilonewton is acting in this downward direction, na? So therefore, for maintaining equilibrium, right, what is it applied if you just observe it? That is your tension in the cable only, no? So that is also which one, everyone, if you just observe it? That tension in the cable is also nothing but which one? This 50 kilonewton, na? Is that no? Because downward 50 means upward also 50 to maintain the equilibrium, na? The tension is 50, right? Now tell me, what is it stress in that cable if you just observe? Stress in the cable is nothing but your tension divided by this cross section area. What is the tension? That is your 50 kilonewton, na? 50 into that. So options are given in kilonewton per meter square. So you keep it also in kilonewton, you can say, right? You also keep it in which one? This kilonewtons only, right? 50 kilonewtons, right? Is the tension. Divided by what is that area if you just observe? That is your 0.2 meter by this 0.2 meter, na? So 0.2 meter by this 0.2 meter means 0.2 square if you just observe, right? How much it comes to be, everyone, now? 50 square, 50 by 0.2 square, right? What is that 50 by 0.2 square? Somebody tell me the answer. I'll just wait for your options. Select the answer, everyone. It is 1250 kilonewton per this meter square, right? What is that? 1250 kilonewton per this meter square, everyone, right? Is that clear? Right? Which option is matching with that? 1250 kilonewton per meter square. Option A is matching, na? Yes, absolutely. That option A will be matching. You can say yes, na? Clear? Now, this is your question number 13. A GATE question only. Write your answer, all of you, for this. GATE 2016 question, right? Write your answer, everyone, for this question. Select the answer for this question, everyone. Question number 13. An assembly made up of this rigid arm ABC hinged at end A and supported by an elastic rope CD, right? That is CD will be the rope, you can say, at a C, right? At this C it is supported by this rope CD. As shown in the figure, the members may be assumed to be weightless and the lengths of these respective members are shown in the figure. Under the action of this concentrated load P is acting at this C shown, the magnitude of this tension developed in the rope, right? You are asked to identify tension developed in the rope, right? How can you get this tension developed in the rope, everyone? Just get this tension developed in the rope, all of you. Select the answer, everyone. Anyone? Options are given. You try solving. Right. Shall I solve this? Okay, I'll be solving it, don't worry. So what is that given is, right, first you consider this free body diagram of this ABC, right? When you are considering this ABC, right, I'll just make it like this only, right? This simple one. Or if you want, you can make this box. This is your A, you can say, and this is your B. If you just observe, this is your C, right? What is this length? This length BC is known as your L. And what is that length AB? If you just observe, that length AB is also known as L. And what is this length AC? If you just observe, that AC length will be equal to how much? Under root that L square plus this L square, na? So whenever you are having a triangle, right, what is it you can say? This is your L and this is your L. And what is this value? Under root that L square plus this L square, na? So can we say, so this is your L root 2 is the value, L root 2 you are having, if you just observe, right? So now what is that action of this forces? This is very, very important, right? In this cable, right, at this place, see that tension is acting in this direction. You consider this force P in this vertical direction and you consider tension T in this direction, if you just observe, right? So this tension T will be perpendicular to this L root 2, right? So these are the points, right? Sum of the moments about this A will be equal to 0, if you just observe, right? Sum of the moments about this A, P into L clockwise, na? So plus P into L clockwise, and this is the tension, na? So minus, what is that? If you just observe that minus tension into what is that? L root 2, right? Minus that tension into that L root 2 equal to 0. So now tell me what is the T, if you just observe then? What is the T if you just observe? Then that T will be equal to that P into L divided by this L root 2, right? So P into L divided by this L root 2 means L cancelled. So what is that T value? It comes to be that T value comes to be that P by root 2. Is that clear, everyone? How to get this tension in the cable? P by root 2. Yes, this is how we'll be getting this P by root 2. Option B will be the correct answer, right? Is that clear, everyone? Yes, now? Those who could not do it, right? It is just a very simple question. Sum of the moments about this A equal to 0 if you apply, that's over. Yes, na? Isn't it? Right. So now this is your question number 13, right? Shall I move to the next question? Question number 14. Right. Yeah. Page numbers I will be writing. Right. Let us say this is your page number 1. This is page number 2, 3, 4. Oh, that is nothing. 5. Question number 13 got over, na? So, no, question number 13 got over, and this will be taking it as question number 14. Question number 14, if you just observe, right? Select the answer, everyone. Select everyone. The magnitudes of these vectors P, Q and R are which one? This is 100 kilonewton, 250 kilonewton and 150 kilonewton respectively as shown in the figure. The respective values of this magnitude and direction with respect to x-axis of this resultant vector, right? So you are asked to identify which one? This is a resultant force, na? Yes or no? That force, magnitude and direction both you are having, right? So that is why you call it as vector, right? Is it clear why you are calling it as vector, everyone? Because it is having the force magnitude and it is also having which one? This it is also having this direction, na? So that is why you call it as vector, right? Otherwise you would be calling it as which one? This is scalar only, right? Use whatever you wanted to use. You can use whatever you wanted to use. You can use. There is no issue. Lami's theorem you can use. But resultant force, na? Whenever it is the resultant force means, can we use the Lami's? No, we cannot use Lami's, na? We cannot use Lami's, right? Resultant force. If you are asked to identify one force among the given, then you can use the Lami's theorem. But here, can we use the Lami's theorem? No. What we have to use if you just observe? Yeah, I'll tell you, right? Magnitude of this P, Q and R forces are given, right? Then what is that? Respective values of this magnitude in what is that? You can say resultant force if you just observe. This is 6th one. So what is that? You can say if you just observe net horizontal force, right? What is that net horizontal force, everyone? Net or a resultant horizontal force, right? What is that net horizontal force, all of you? That net horizontal force RH, can we write it? That RH if you just observe, right? A horizontal component of this resultant, right? It is equal to which one if you just observe? This P is having some components, na? P is having some components right side and left side, right? So this component of P if you just observe, this is vertical component if you just observe, right? This is your which one? The 60 degrees, right? What is that? This is your P cos 60, na? So this is right hand side, positive side is there. So this is your plus P cos 60, right? Plus P cos 60, right? This is a Q if you just observe, one is in the upward direction and one is in the down in this direction, right? This is your 90 degrees, na? Is that no? What is that angle with respect to horizontal that P is having if you just observe? What is that angle P is having with Q is having with respect to horizontal, everyone? That Q is having how much angle, everyone? This R is having how much angle? So between this Q and R it is 90 degree. Okay, that is fine, right? This is your 60 and that is your 45, right? So what is that? 60 and 45 means 105, na? So 105 means, right? What is that value you are getting? Everyone if you just observe, right? With respect to this vertical, right? First I'll make these forces, that is better. This is your x-axis and this is your y-axis, na? Positive x-axis and this positive y-axis, right? So the force P is acting in which manner with respect to this x-axis? It is making a 60 degrees angle, na? This is your force P. It is making an angle of which one? This is 60 degrees with respect to this x-axis, right? Positive x-axis. This is negative x-axis, right? That is your which one? This is positive y-axis, and this is your which one? This is negative y-axis, right? And where is that Q is acting? If you just observe from this 45 degree, na? From this P it is 45 degree, right? Means here it is 60. So this is your 35. So this is your 30, means 45 degrees. If you wanted to get it, means that is having this 15 degrees angle with respect to this, na? So no, that is having this 15 degrees angle with respect to this, if you just observe, right? And what is that R? That is 15, means it is which one? This is 75, 75 na? Yes, this is your 75 degree, right? With respect to this Q, with respect to this Q, R is having 90 degrees na? Means what is that angle? You can say this is your 15 degrees na? This is your R, and this angle will be 15 degrees, right? Is that clear, everyone? How we are getting these angles? How we have to get these angles? Is that clear, everyone? The angle calculation all of you is not now. So that component of P will be like this and P will be like this, right? So this is your 60 degree. Components of Q will be in which manner? This manner, right? If you just observe, that is your 15 degree, like that, right? Component of R will be, one is horizontal, one is vertical, and this is your 15 degree. Now tell me, net horizontal force is what? So because this is Px, right? This is right hand side, and it is right hand side positive x side, means it is plus P cos 60, right? Because of this Q, what is that? This component, it is negative x side. So minus which one? This Q sine 15 degrees, na? So no, because angle is that side, so this will be opposite side, right? R also it will be, if you just observe, left hand side, na? Minus R into which one? This cos 15, right? Minus R into that cos 15 degrees, right? So what is that net horizontal force? If you just observe, that resultant horizontal force plus 100 cos 60. P is 100 na? P is given as which one, all of you? P is given as 100 na? 100, 250 and 150, right? So this is your 100, and this is which one? This is 250. And what is this one? If you just observe, that is equal to that 150. If you just observe, 150, if you just observe, right? Plus 100 cos 60 minus this 250 sine 15 is na? Minus which one? This 150 sine 15, minus 150 sine 50, right? So tell me, what is that horizontal force? If you just observe, what is that RH? It comes to be minus 159.59, right? So minus 159.59 you are getting, means it is on this negative x-axis or positive x-axis? It is on this negative x-axis, na? Yes, right? Similarly, what is that? You can say net vertical force, how much you will be getting? What is that? Tell me that net vertical force. That a net vertical force, if you just observe it, net vertical force, that RV will be equal to how much? That a net vertical force R will be equal to that component of P in the vertical direction. Na? So this is your sine 60, right? P sine 60, right? P means what? 100. So that is positive y-axis, means how much you will be taking? Plus. So this negative means it is left hand side, na? Yes or no? That horizontal component is left hand side, right? So this is your plus 100, which one? Plus 100 sine what? 60. Plus sine 60, right? This one also upward direction positive, na? So means it is plus which one? Plus which one? This is 250 into cos 15. Next to this one, this is downward, na? So minus you take it, right? Minus what is that R? 150, na? So 150 into which one? This is your sine only, na? Sine which one? It is sine 15 degrees, if you just observe, right? Sine 15 degrees, if you just observe, right? So now tell me, what is that R? What is that RV you are getting? Vertical component, if you just observe, how much? It is plus, how much you will be getting? Plus 289.26 kilonewton, na? Plus 289.26 kilonewton, right? What does it mean? It is positive, means it is positive y-axis upward or not? Yes, it is your upward force, right? So that is your left hand side, this is your right hand side, right? What is that net force? If you just observe, you can say. So this is your seventh one, right? What is it? You can say this is your Rx, this is your Ry, na? RV, right? This is your which one? This Rx, RH, and your resultant will be like this. Now absolutely your resultant will be like this, right? What is that resultant? You can say, therefore this net resultant, right? What is that net resultant? That resultant R is equal to under root, what is it? You can say under root that RH square plus which one, this RV square, right? What is it RH? If you just observe that, what is it RH you are getting? RH you are getting it as 159.59, so minus 159.59 square plus what is that RV you are having? You can say 289.26 na, 289.26, right? What is that a resultant force? If you just observe, then what is that a resultant force? If you just observe of you, how much is the resultant force?